Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix laptop still slow after reinstall Windows or factory reset in Windows 11, 10. First method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type chkdsk space, /f space, /x space, /r space, /c:\. Second method is type Memory Diagnostic in Windows search bar, click Memory Diagnostic. Third method is type Advanced System Settings in Windows search bar, click Advanced System Settings. Change Adjust for best performance. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.